Clinical trials are research studies designed to evaluate new medical treatments. They test new medical treatments on people to determine their effectiveness and safety. These treatments can be drugs, medical devices, or even new ways to use existing therapies. For example, a new drug might be tested to see if it works better than current treatments. The goal? To find safe and effective treatments for diseases, improving patient outcomes. Think of it like testing a new recipe. Before sharing it with everyone, you want to make sure it tastes good and is safe to eat. Similarly, clinical trials ensure that new medical treatments are both effective and safe before they are widely used. Clinical trials do the same for medical treatments, ensuring they are thoroughly tested. They follow strict ethical guidelines to protect participants. The safety of the participants is always a top priority, with constant monitoring and care. And the data gathered helps advance medical knowledge, leading to better treatments and healthcare solutions for everyone. Phase 3 clinical trials are a critical step in this research process. They represent the culmination of years, sometimes even decades, of meticulous research and development. They are the final and largest stage of testing before a new treatment can be approved for general use. This phase is essential because it provides the most comprehensive data on the drug's effectiveness and safety. Imagine a new drug showing promise in earlier, smaller trials. These initial phases are crucial for identifying potential benefits and risks, but they involve a limited number of participants. Phase 3 trials are where this drug faces its most significant test. Researchers meticulously plan these trials to ensure they gather the most accurate and reliable data possible. It's tested on a much larger group of people, often thousands, in multiple locations around the world. This diversity in participants helps ensure that the results are applicable to a wide range of individuals. This large-scale testing is crucial. It allows researchers to observe how the drug performs in a real-world setting, providing insights that smaller trials cannot. It helps researchers determine if the treatment truly works. They analyze vast amounts of data to assess the drug's efficacy and to identify any patterns or trends. It also helps them understand any potential side effects that might not have shown up in earlier phases. This comprehensive understanding is vital for ensuring the safety and well-being of future patients who will use the treatment. Phase 3 trials differ from earlier phases in several key ways. First, their scale is much larger, involving thousands of participants. This broader sample size helps ensure the results are statistically significant. Second, Phase 3 trials often involve diverse populations. This includes people of different ages, ethnicities, and with varying stages of the disease. This diversity is essential. It helps researchers understand how the treatment will work in the real world. Different people can respond to medications differently. Section 4. A real-world example. Imagine a new heart medication. Let's say scientists are developing a new medication for heart failure. In earlier phases, the drug showed promise in improving heart function. Now, in a Phase 3 trial, thousands of patients with heart failure would be enrolled. Some would receive the new drug, others would receive a placebo, a harmless substance with no therapeutic effect. Researchers would then monitor both groups over time. They would track key indicators like heart function, quality of life, and any side effects. Section 5. What researchers look for in Phase 3 trials. In Phase 3 trials, researchers are looking for clear answers to critical questions. Does the new treatment work better than existing treatments or a placebo? This is crucial to determine its effectiveness. What are the common side effects? Understanding these helps in assessing the overall safety of the treatment. Are these side effects manageable? Researchers need to know if patients can tolerate the treatment. The answers to these questions determine if the treatment is safe and effective enough for widespread use. This is a key step before approval. Researchers also analyze the data to see if the treatment works better in certain groups of people. This helps in personalizing medicine. For example, they might find that the new heart failure drug is more effective in older adults. This information can guide doctors in prescribing the best treatments for specific patient groups. Section 6. The vital role of Phase 3 trials. Phase 3 clinical trials are a cornerstone of modern medicine. They provide the robust evidence needed to determine if a new treatment is safe and effective for the general public. This rigorous testing process ensures that new treatments are thoroughly evaluated. Phase 3 trials are not without challenges. They are complex, time-consuming, and expensive. However, the insights gained from these trials are invaluable. They can lead to groundbreaking treatments that improve and extend lives.